Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of high-vibe living, exploring the intricate connection between what we consume and how it influences our energy levels. We're going on a journey to understand how certain foods can either elevate us to new heights of vitality or leave us feeling depleted and out of sync with our true potential. Think about it. Our bodies are remarkable instruments capable of extraordinary things. But just like any finely tuned instrument, they require the right kind of fuel to perform at their best. Stay tuned as we unveil the top 5 foods that high-vibe people consciously avoid to maintain their energetic equilibrium. And I'll share some powerful high-vibe alternatives that can help you unlock a life of greater well-being. This isn't about deprivation. It's about making conscious choices that empower you to become the most vibrant, energized version of yourself. Are you ready to discover the transformative power of food and its impact on your energy field? Let's begin! Let's talk about sugar, that ubiquitous ingredient that seems to find its way into countless processed foods. Now, when I say sugar, I'm not talking about the naturally occurring sugars found in fruits and vegetables. I'm referring to refined processed sugar, stripped of its natural nutrients and fiber, the kind that sends your blood sugar levels on a roller coaster ride. Imagine this. You consume a sugary treat and your body, in response to the sudden surge in glucose, releases a flood of insulin. This insulin spike might give you a temporary burst of energy, but it's often followed by a dramatic crash, leaving you feeling depleted, sluggish, and craving more sugar. It's a vicious cycle.
But it's not just about the physical crash. When your energy dips, so too can your mood. You might find yourself experiencing irritability, difficulty concentrating, or even feelings of anxiety. These emotional fluctuations can disrupt your inner peace and throw you off balance. So, what's the solution? Become aware of hidden sugars lurking in processed foods, read labels carefully, and opt for natural sweeteners whenever possible. Nature provides us with an abundance of delicious alternatives that can satisfy your sweet cravings without the dramatic energy dips. Consider the rich golden sweetness of raw honey, a treasure trove of enzymes and antioxidants, or perhaps the delicate caramel-like flavor of pure maple syrup, a good source of minerals like manganese and zinc.
Remember, embracing a high-vibe lifestyle is about making conscious choices that nourish your body and mind. By reducing your intake of processed sugar and embracing natural sweeteners, you can help stabilize your energy levels, balance your mood, and feel more aligned with your true, vibrant self. And now, let's address another common energy zapper: alcohol. While a glass of wine with dinner might seem harmless, it's essential to understand the impact alcohol can have on your energy field. You see, alcohol is a depressant, and while it might initially create a sense of relaxation or euphoria, it ultimately lowers your vibration and disrupts the delicate balance of energy within your body. Think of your body as a finely tuned instrument, vibrating at a specific frequency. When you introduce alcohol into the equation, it's like throwing a wrench into the gears, disrupting the harmonious flow of energy that contributes to your overall well-being.
Furthermore, alcohol can interfere with your sleep patterns, even if you don't realize it. You might think you're getting a good night's rest, but alcohol can disrupt the REM cycle, the deep, restorative sleep essential for cellular repair and energy replenishment. Instead of reaching for that glass of wine, explore the world of high-vibe beverages that can actually enhance your energy levels and support your overall well-being. Herbal teas, for example, offer a soothing and flavorful way to unwind without the energetic drawbacks of alcohol. Experiment with calming chamomile, invigorating peppermint, or the subtle earthiness of rooibos tea. Each cup is a journey for your senses and a gentle way to nourish your body from within. And if you're looking for a bubbly fermented beverage that tantalizes your taste buds while providing beneficial probiotics, explore the world of kombucha.
Remember, a high-vibe lifestyle is about making conscious choices that align with your highest potential. By reducing alcohol consumption and embracing alternative beverages that nourish your body and mind, you can create a life filled with greater energy, clarity, and vitality.
Let's talk about caffeine, that ubiquitous stimulant many of us rely on to jumpstart our mornings or power through afternoon slumps. While that cup of coffee might provide a temporary energy boost, it often comes with a price, a hidden energy debt that can leave you feeling more depleted in the long run.
You see, caffeine works by stimulating your adrenal glands, prompting them to release stress hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. These hormones kick your body into fight or flight mode, providing a surge of energy that can make you feel more alert and focused.
However, over-reliance on caffeine can lead to adrenal fatigue, a state in which your adrenal glands become overworked and less efficient at producing these essential hormones. This can manifest as fatigue, difficulty concentrating, low mood, and difficulty sleeping.
Instead of relying on caffeine's quick fix, consider exploring alternative beverages that provide sustained energy without the eventual crash. Matcha, for example, is a type of green tea that contains L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes relaxation and focus without the jitters often associated with coffee.
Matcha provides a calm, sustained energy that can help you power through your day without the dramatic peaks and valleys of caffeine. And let's not forget the world of herbal teas, a treasure trove of flavors and potential health benefits. From the invigorating zest of peppermint to the subtle sweetness of chamomile, there's an herbal tea for every mood and occasion.
Remember, a high-vibe lifestyle is about working in harmony with your body's natural rhythms, not against them. By reducing your caffeine intake and exploring alternative sources of energy, you can cultivate a state of balanced well-being that allows you to thrive. Let's delve into the world of processed meats and their impact on our energy levels. Now, when I speak of processed meats, I'm referring to those convenience foods that have often undergone various forms of preservation, curing, smoking, or flavor enhancement. Think bacon, sausage, deli meats, and hot dogs.
While these foods might be convenient, it's essential to be mindful of the potential downsides they can have on our energy and overall well-being. Processed meats often contain high amounts of sodium, saturated fat, and cholesterol, all of which can contribute to inflammation in the body.
Inflammation is like a fire alarm system in the body, signaling that something needs attention. While acute inflammation is a natural and essential part of healing, chronic inflammation can contribute to a whole host of health issues, including fatigue and low energy levels.
Moreover, many processed meats contain artificial preservatives, colors, and flavors, which can put a strain on our detoxification pathways. When our bodies are busy filtering out these foreign substances, it can divert energy away from other essential functions, leaving us feeling drained and depleted.
Instead of relying on processed meats, opt for protein sources that nourish your body and support your energy levels. Plant-based proteins such as lentils, beans, quinoa, and tofu are packed with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants.
And if you choose to consume meat, opt for organic, grass-fed meats whenever possible. These animals are raised without the use of antibiotics and hormones, and their meat tends to be higher in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help combat inflammation in the body.
Remember, a high-vibe lifestyle involves making choices that support your body's natural ability to thrive. By choosing nutrient-dense protein sources, you can provide your body with the building blocks it needs to function optimally and maintain high energy levels. Let's talk about artificial sweeteners, those seemingly innocent sugar substitutes in diet sodas and sugar-free desserts.
They promise guilt-free sweetness, but can impact our energy levels and well-being. Artificial sweeteners can trigger a similar metabolic response as sugar.
Your body anticipates glucose, releasing insulin, but no glucose follows. This mismatch can lead to cravings, weight gain, and metabolic issues.
Artificial sweeteners can also disrupt our gut microbiome. Instead, explore natural sweeteners like stevia and monk fruit.
Stevia is calorie-free and doesn't impact blood sugar. Monk fruit contains antioxidants and has traditional uses. Choose natural sweeteners to support your well-being. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on maintaining a high-vibe lifestyle. Please check out the link in the description for alternatives that you can have instant access to. Remember, the journey to greater energy and vitality is an ongoing process of self-discovery and making conscious choices that align with your highest potential. By understanding the impact that certain foods have on our energy levels and embracing nourishing alternatives, we can create a life that radiates vibrancy from the inside out. See you next time.